Yellow one's just arrived. Fortunately, they had an accident in their Abarth. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and this unfortunately isn't a good video as this is a tribute to two fellow Abarth owners slash friends who are part of our local Abarth group, but unfortunately they had an accident in their Abarth. So yeah, the main reason I've obviously asked their permission to make this video, and they said yes, as like I say, we're friends. So basically it's a couple that have been on our Abarth Owners Club Dorset page, a group I founded a few years back now. They live about an hour away, but they joined the page. They've come to a few of our meets. They actually have a yellow Abarth like my 595 Competizione I had before my Abarth 124 Spider, which I now own. So yeah, they're a nice yellow Abarth. They put like some little additional touches, like stripe on the bonnet. It's a really nice looking car. They had a private plate on theirs as well. A nice couple that had never owned an Abarth before, so they took a leap into the Abarth brand and fell in love with the car, obviously. I say unfortunately, it's a husband and wife that own the car. The wife was sadly involved in an accident. The good thing being she's fine, apart from a couple of bruises and blah blah blah. I know what's happened in the accident because, funnily enough, the owners were at our local Bath dealership when I was there a little while ago. So we bumped into them and they showed us some CCTV footage of the accident, and yeah. But mainly what this video is about is how impressed I was by the photos I was shown of the damage of Abarth, if that makes any sense, because yeah, all the airbags went off as they should, and for a little car you sort of think, is it going to be safe in an accident? But the lady said, you know, they only had the, like I say, the basic spec sort of seats, so they weren't like the Competizione, the sort of bucket sort of seats. But she said, you know, she was held in her seat while the accident happened. You know, all the airbags went off like they should, the knees, I think they came out the seats, the curtains, and obviously there was smoke in the car from the airbags going off. I think she may have thought it was on fire, which is why, you know, I mean, I've never been in an accident before, touch wood, but obviously you are sort of stunned by what the hell has happened. So she just ran out of the car. Like I say, luckily she was fine. The other person involved was okay as well, I believe. But yeah, it just goes to show that the little pocket rockets can actually be quite safe as well. I mean, yeah, the damage could have been worse. Well, her damage to her could have been worse. Damage to the car could have been a lot worse. But I am allowed to put a couple of photos in, which I will do now. So you can see the back wheel was sort of bent because the lady sort of went to a curb as she got hit. Rear end doesn't look very good in those photos, and you can see the front, the side's gone in, the mirrors come off, but really I think he's obviously shot at the whole body, so unfortunately the car is a write-off. Probably not much that can be salvaged off it. I guess as they think they don't really know what's going on with the car at the moment themselves, the owners, but hopefully they're going to be getting another Abarth so they can get a like-for-like replacement, and they'll still be on our club and hopefully still come to meets in the future. The new yellow one with the black stripes and private plate. Right, here we are. The yellow one's just arrived. I've met him before, so he's coming along. This was just basically a quick video and a quick tribute to what was the nice little yellow fellow bumblebee Abarth. Like I say, they will be getting another Abarth hopefully soon, once insurance and goodness knows what's all secure. But comment below if you've ever had like an unfortunate accident in your Abarth, or small car for that matter, and you know, how did the car end up, how did you end up? Obviously, if you're still here, that's a good thing because you'll be commenting. But you know what I mean? No, joking aside, you know, luckily she's okay. Obviously shocked. She probably still is, even though it happened a couple of weeks ago. But I just wanted to do a video for my friends, the other Bath owners that have had this unfortunate accident. And yeah, and I said I'd video it. I just want to sort of broadcast the fact that they've had an accident. They're okay. The car's a bit worse for wear, but it's in sort of one piece-ish, apart from a couple of the corners. But yeah, basically it's just a video that I've made for them just to say I'm sorry, and I hope you get in a bath soon so you can come to more of our meets. But yeah, I was going to say, if you like this video, which you probably won't, but I don't know, you can like it if you want. Okay, I say that's like this video to show support to them. Subscribe to me on YouTube, and then you can follow me on Instagram. And on another note, I will be at Festival Italia this weekend. Comment below if you're coming. I'll be there, my 124 Spider Abarth, and my parents will be there in my dad's old one and only Panda VIP. So I'll see you guys out there going. If not, I'll see you guys in another video. Take care, see you later, and drive safe, and watch out for idiots on the road.